We are pleased to show you the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, trailer tow group. Inside you'll find HD radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, security alarm, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.